Hello and welcome. You are tuned in to campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, bringing you the latest updates and highlights from our vibrant campus. News for the month of June. June 11th and 12th. Empowering educators through wellness and AI innovation. Holy Cross College Nagercoil, through its internal quality assurance cell, organized a series of faculty and staff development program on 11th and 12th of June. Reverend Father Alex Arogyaswamy, Director of Peyton Center for Families, led sessions on work-life balance, emotional well-being, and healthy relationships for teaching faculty and administrative staff. IQAC also conducted the workshop AI Udan, Harnessing the Power of Generative AI for Teachers, facilitated by Ms. X. Joshna, Senior Officer, AVPN AI Udan, Learning Links Foundation. The workshop provided hands-on training in the effective and ethical use of generative AI for teaching, learning, research, and academic administration. The programs enhanced participants' personal well-being, professional competencies, and digital skills, reaffirming the institution's commitment to holistic development and academic excellence. 17th of June. A warm beginning for the freshers of 2026. Holy Cross College Nagercoil welcomed its first-year undergraduate students with a week-long student induction program from 17th to 22nd of June. The program commenced with an orientation session featuring the principal's address, presentation by the deans, motivational talks, and information on scholarships, transport facilities, and mentoring support. Students and parents also participated in department-level PTA meetings and orientation on the institution's code of conduct. As part of the induction program, students attended motivational, wellness, and skill development sessions, including Rise and Shine by Mrs. Monique Leka, yoga and wellness training, a health awareness session by Dr. Ahisha, and an energetic Zumba program led by Dr. Ajit Sindhuja. Creative workshops, campus tours, traditional games, talent hunt activities, and spoken English sessions provided opportunities for learning, interaction, and personal growth. The program concluded with bridge courses and department-level orientation on academic opportunities, career pathways, higher education, entrepreneurship, and outcome-based education, equipping students with the confidence and skills needed for a successful college journey. 22nd to 24th of June. Building confidence through spoken English. The PG and Research Department of English, Holy Cross College Nagercoil, organized a 3-day spoken English training program titled Take Off with Spoken English from 22nd to 24th of June for first-year undergraduate students. The program featured interactive sessions, language games, role plays, group discussions, and public speaking activities aimed at enhancing students' communication skills, pronunciation, vocabulary, and fluency in English. The initiative helped participants build confidence, overcome hesitation in speaking English, and strengthen their everyday communication abilities. The program concluded with positive feedback from students who appreciated the practical and engaging learning experiences that laid a strong foundation for their academic and personal communication skills. These were the latest happenings from our campus at Holy Cross College Nagercoil. Every day unfolds new milestones and memories. Stay connected for more inspiring updates in our next edition of Campus News.